Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we're making Philly cheesesteaks. Let's get started by adding a little oil and about 1 tablespoon of butter to our medium pan over medium-high heat. You're going to start by sauteing some onions and bell pepper. If you have the long strips of the tricolor ones like the red, the yellow, and white onions, that's totally fine as well. I'm simply using what I have in my freezer. Go ahead and season your vegetables with salt and pepper. And I also added just a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes just for a little kick. Saute that until it's translucent for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then add about 2 cloves of minced garlic. This is just going to give it some more flavor. Remove that and set it aside. Go in with about 1 pound of shaved beef. You can find this in your local grocery store in the meat department, and it's already shaved for Philly cheesesteaks. I'm simply seasoning it with salt and pepper and a little seasoning salt and also some garlic powder. You can season it with whatever spices that you like. Some people like to keep it simple with just salt and pepper. You can also add a little Cajun seasoning to it if you like. It's simply up to you, but remember you want your beef to shine in this recipe. You're going to cook that until it's brown. And I also added some additional seasoning because when I initially started to season it, it was fresh out the pack and it was compacted together. Give that a stir until it's almost done. So I decided to use another rubber spatula to help me go ahead and break the meat up some more. Do y'all remember the place in the mall in some cities where they made the steak sandwiches for you and they would use a griddle and 2 spatulas and they would have your sandwich quick, fast, and in a hurry? So go ahead and add your vegetables and garlic back to the meat mixture when it's about 3/4 of the way done. Then you're going to add slices of provolone cheese. At this point, turn your heat down to low. It's going to continue cooking. Cover it and allow the cheese to melt about 4 minutes or so. And when you come back, you're going to have tender, juicy beef with onion and peppers and creamy provolone cheese. Now let's assemble our sandwich. We're going to toast our hoagie bun. This was one that I got from the bakery department, but you can also use the ones that are already in the package. I'm simply going to be adding some mayonnaise, some shredded lettuce, some fresh tomatoes. You can add salt and pepper to these as well, and some pickled jalapeno. Simply add what you like to on your sandwiches. Some people just like meat, cheese, and bread. I also added another slice of the provolone cheese, so when the hot meat hits the sandwich, it's gonna melt that cheese and give you a nice cheese pool that people love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.